Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this occasion, I would like to discuss a very interesting topic, namely the power of the mind in making dreams come true. Maybe some of us have felt frustrated because the dreams we have always wanted have not come true. However, did you know that dreams can be realized through the power of the mind that we have? Yes, our thoughts have tremendous power in manifesting what we desire. First of all, let's talk about the law of attraction. This law states that our thoughts can attract positive or negative energy, which then influences our lives. That is, if we think positively, positive energy will come to us, and vice versa. If we think negatively, then negative energy will come. Second is about the power of visualization. Visualization is the process of vividly imagining our dreams. Much like drawing pictures in our minds, in this case, we imagine our dreams in great detail, such as place, time, atmosphere, even smell and taste. The more detailed the visualization we make, the stronger the power of our minds will be in making dreams come true. Lastly is about self-confidence. We must fully believe that the dreams we desire can be realized. The power of our minds will be strong when we believe that our dreams can come true. Therefore, we need to practice to strengthen our self-confidence. So, the power of thought is indeed very powerful in making our dreams come true. The law of attraction, visualization, and self-belief are the keys to strengthening the power of our minds. However, of course, we also have to try to achieve our dreams with concrete actions, because dreams without action will just be dreams. All right, that's all our discussion about the power of the mind in making dreams come true. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting content. See you in the next video.